This is a 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Borgman Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3150 28th Street Southwest in Granville.